are all welcome to this video. In our previous video, we learned to find the values of the coordinates of point C internally dividing the line AB connecting the 2 points A and B in m/n called the section formula. Today we will see some interesting examples related to this concept. Hari on point 2, 1 and Krishna standing on point 7, 6, where they are waiting for their friend Radhe, but Radhe is standing on point 5, 4. Can you express the distance of Radhe from both the friends in the form of ratio? Let's see it in the graph and set the coordinates. Assuming the point A, that is x1 equal 2, y1 equal 1 position of Hari. Point C, that is x equals 5, y equals 4 position of Radhe. And point B, that is x2 equals 7, y2 equals 6 position of Krishna. By joining these 3 points together, we get a line segment, where we have to find the value of AC ratio CB. Suppose here the ratio of AC and CB is m/n. Can you tell us what we need to do for this? Well done. It is correct that section formula will be used here. In this case, in the section formula's point x, by placing all the values of m/n can be determined, where x equals 5, x1 equals 2 and x2 equals 7. On solving which, we get m upon n equal to 3 upon 2, that is, m/n equals 3/2. So we can say that Radhe is standing at a distance of 3:2 ratio from both friends. Pause the video and taking the y value of the section formula, try solving the question. That's right, it is correct. Using the point y from the section formula, the value of m/n as 3/2 is what we get. So we can say that from any point in the section formula, the value of m/n can be determined. Let's look at another example. If point A -1, 8, point B -3, -2, point C 5, -2 are the vertices of triangle ABC respectively, then can you find the length of the median going from point A and the coordinates of the centroid? Come, let's solve it. First, let's construct triangle ABC. Let's assume in triangle ABC, AD going from vertex A is a median, where point D is BC's midpoint. Can you find the coordinates of point D? Absolutely correct. Point D is point B and C's midpoint. So by the values of point B and C, The coordinates of point D are obtained as 1 minus 2. Since the length of the median AD is to be determined, so can you now find the value of AD?
Well done. Here we use the distance formula between 2 points,
where the coordinates of point A are x1 equals minus 1, y1 equals 8 and point D are x2 equals 1, y2 equals minus 2. The values of x1, y1, x2 and y2 are placed in the distance formula, solving which value of AD is under root 104 units. Let the point G be triangle ABC's centroid. Because from triangle ABC's 3 vertices, the medians that pass intersect at the point G, which divides the median AD in the ratio 2:1. Hence, the point G is located on the median AD. Since now we have to find the coordinates of centroid G, so try to recall and tell how did we solve this type of situation in the previous video. Absolutely correct. For this, we will use the section formula, where the coordinates of point A are x1 equals minus 1, y1 equals 8 and point D are x2 equals 1, y2 equals minus 2. From Mn, x1, y1, x2 and y2, put the values in the section formula. On solving the coordinates of point G, we get 0.33 and 1.33. In this video, we saw examples based on the section formula. In the next video, we will see what common mistakes are made while solving these types of questions.